On May 28, 2024, FWC officers, Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, were conducting a stop on another vessel with their emergency lights activated. Another boat sped past them at high speed right next to the patrol vessel. Because this was a dangerous action, the officers immediately initiated a stop and inspection of that boat.
Yeah, we're gonna come outside you here and check your stuff.
Sure, no problem.
You got it. We got you.
We're idle right now.
I got you. Just
Okay,
leave it in neutral, Captain.
We're idle.
Okay. I need him to give me everything because he's the operator. Okay? So I need life jacket for everyone on board, type 4 throwable, whistle or horn.
I got you. I'll get it.
Life jackets for everyone on board, type 4 throwable, whistle and a horn.
Okay. Y'all wanna?
We're gonna tie up.
Y'all got ropes?
Yeah, we'll take care of everything. You get me those items.
Okay.
No problem.
I appreciate you helping him, but I really need him to do everything.
Let me get right here. I'll take care of that for you. Go ahead.
Type 4 flow, multi.
Can I need that lady? No. You got it snug.
Okay, and then how many people you got on board?
6 people. Got 4 vests up there. You need to count them, or
And then
You got
4
4
there.
there, 4 down here.
4 there.
Okay.
yeah, we got.
Alright. Remember what else I asked you for?
I'm sorry.
You remember what else I asked you for?
Yes, whistle and
A whistle or a horn. So you gotta have a sound producing device.
oh sure.
I think that's an A.
No, that's our E-perk, Barney.
Okay.
I know, but all this stuff is in here. I think.
Oh, our horns in there?
So your whistle's right there.
Okay, there's a whistle.
Alright. And then I need a fire extinguisher, your registration, and how old are you?
Yes, ma'am. I'll be 39 in about 4 or 5 days.
Fire extinguisher.
I got two of them. You want to see?
We
both
have to
of them
see
or
that they're
just one?
functioning.
Oh, sure. Yeah, absolutely.
Good? Alright. You remember the last thing I asked for?
Yes, ma'am. Registration.
Is the boat in your name?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you had anything to drink today?
No.
Nothing?
We know wax.
You haven't had any alcohol today?
We have our registration here.
Okay. I'm just...
Oh, no,
I'm,
that's not our full registration. We have our...
okay, I'm picking up on some things. So I'm just going to ask you if you'll board our vessel so I can check your eyes and this to make sure you're safe to operate. Are you willing to do that?
Do we have a choice? I don't think we have a choice, right?
If you don't get on board, then I'm going to be forced to go on what I'm seeing right now.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
So I'm asking you to come perform field sobriety tasks.
Yeah, just go.
What's your answer, sir?
I don't have an answer. So.
Okay, well,
Well, we don't have a choice, so, like, he's got to go on. I mean, like, we've been out here all day.
if you refuse, you're leaving me to base my decision off what I've already observed.
I understand.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
you have to get
What
on.
have you observed?
You're going to
we've
have to get
observed
on.
signs of impairment. So I'm asking you to come perform field
Yeah.
sobriety so I can check to see if you're safe to be operating your vessels.
So can I ask you this? If he is not safe to operate, does that mean
He
one of
needs
us
to make a decision.
He can ride
and-
back with us or no?
No. So, are you going to do the field sobriety or not?
He has to, right?
Guys, you guys
Isn't that
are
right?
put me in a real
Yeah, I know. He has to. He has to, right?
I'm asking you to board my vessel and perform field sobriety so I can determine if you're safe to operate your boat.
Yes. But he has to, though, because it doesn't go with the... Isn't that the case? I mean, I know you guys...
Are you saying yes or no?
Yes.
Honestly, don't know what to do, guys.
Yes.
I don't.
Yes, that's fine.
All right.
It's fine.
So either way, you're going to come over here.
Yes, exactly.
So-
That's why I was like, that's why I'm like, you have to.
We're
Captain
trying to
showing
check to
signs
see-
of impairment.
Yeah, you have
We
to.
all see
and
it.
I can
So
operate. Yeah, I understand. This is...
So, do you want to put your shirt on and then hop over here?
You got a life jacket on your boat, sir?
Be careful, step on
Oh,
the
yeah, of
hair.
course, yeah.
Hand me one of your life jackets.
I don't need a life jacket, sir.
Yeah, if you get on this boat,
If you
gotta
get
have
on
one.
our boat, you have to wear a life
Oh,
jacket.
yeah. Let me
It's
just
part of
grab
our
one.
policy, okay?
Let me just grab one. It's okay. It's totally okay.
Here, put this on. I'm gonna help you adjust it, but you got to put
I
it.
don't. I'm good.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Does
Listen to
anybody
me.
else?
You're on our boat.
Anybody else?
We have to
operate
wear
this boat?
one, and you have to wear
I know
one.
you already said you got.
So please, just please put it on
Yes,
for
I
me.
can operate. I can drive it
Okay,
right now.
You seem like you might be impaired as well.
Okay, well,
I get it. We just need you to put your life jacket
Yeah, I
on.
understand you guys have protocol. I get it. Oh, no, it's good. We just got to shift it.
This is for your safety, sir. So we don't want nothing to happen.
Listen, I
We're wearing
understand.
ours, so we're
I
just all
understand.
wearing
Listen,
them
I'm not.
together.
I'm certainly
Yes,
not
I'm
resisting.
following the rules. Yes, I didn't say that I didn't.
Too tight?
Don't worry.
You okay?
Feel
No,
good?
I'm getting ready to go to jail. So I mean,
Sit down right here and listen to what she tells you. Okay?
Sit right there for me.
Put the sun at his back. Put the sun at his back. Stand back up again.
oh, I'm sorry.
We got to put the sun at your back. We don't want the sun. Pull it. Walk up that way. Walk up toward her.
Walk towards me. See, the
There
sun's
you
right
go.
over your shoulder now.
Yes,
Now on your back. All right, you can go ahead.
Okay.
Now I can sit back down.
You can sit back down. Yes, sir. Sit right there.
All right. Please sit straight at the front edge of your seat. Put your arms down at your sides. Place your feet shoulder width apart so you are comfortable and stable. Did you understand that?
I do understand that. I'm not doing this though.
Okay, he's refusing, Wayne, he's refusing SFSCs. So you're not going to do, you're
No,
not going to do any
not
of these.
necessarily. There are places.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yep.
Give us a chance to hold it.
I just,
If you're
refusing to do these, you're leaving me to go based on what I've observed so far. Okay, so are you refusing to do field sobriety
Will you
tests?
just do them? Just do them.
Okay. Alright, he's refusing, Wayne. Alright, I need you to stand up, turn around, and put your hands behind your back.
Sweetie, just.
Are you? Is this your boat too?
It is. It's my husband.
Can I see your ID real quick? Just
Oh,
so I-
absolutely.
She says she can drive.
No,
No,
this
the
young
pregnant
lady,
woman's
if
gonna
she-
drive.
If she's comfortable, she hasn't
Yeah.
said anything.
Alright,
Yes, she's gonna drive us
I'm
back.
gonna move this
Okay.
chair right over here. So at this time, you're
So,
under arrest for
she's
voting
the
under the
only
influence.
Has everybody else been
Faculty
consuming?
prepared. Okay?
Yeah,
Go ahead,
So
Hans.
who hadn't been consuming?
the pregnant woman.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, and she's an easy breed. She reads. She's
Yeah, you gotta be-
pregnant.
yeah.
She's pregnant. Yeah, she's pregnant. So I'm like, yeah, no.
Yeah.
Totally good on that one.
That's okay.
Yeah. She goes us back. We're on the action range.
Yes,
She goes us
ma'am.
back. She
Where are you
knows
going to?
We're just going down to the marina.
Jackson. Jackson. Huh?
Windward Beach Marina.
Windward Beach.
22 will be the primary.
I don't know where that is.
Alright, another reason we wanted to talk to you guys is when we have our blue lights on, you cannot fly past us.
We did not.
It has
We
to be
weren't
the
trying to fly
size of
past.
I get it, but it has to be the length of about a football field. You can't pass us at the speed you were going, okay?
Okay. We did not know that.
Yep, so I was just letting you know because a lot of people don't. It's dangerous for us and the person that we're stopping.
Oh,
It's like
absolutely.
it's
okay.
like a move
So where
along.
can I go get him at?
He's going to be booked into Duval County Jail.
Okay.
So then he's going to have to get a first appearance in court.
But I need to still go get him tonight, though. That's why I'm asking.
Tonight, it depends on when his first appearance is. It's probably going to be
He's got to stay at
tomorrow
least
morning,
8 hours.
depending on the
8
holiday.
hours.
Where do y'all go?
So
What's that?
we're going straight to the jail. Yep, we.
Do you want him sitting in that chair all the way there, Wayne?
Fine, because as long as the chair is leaned up against that, it'll be fine.
It's on the E-curb.
I'm going on.
Now,
No.
All this stuff's right here, bud. Easy peasy. What you want? Huh? No. You're good. You're good. You're golden.
Oh.
You're golden. Yeah, you're golden.
yep.
Hey, easy peasy.
I
You
don't
just don't have
have
to really ride it
enough
to the
juice to do arms.
Everybody still hot?
I'm on mute. Can you mute?
Yeah, I'm on hot.
Can you mute?
I can, but we might. Well, we ain't probably running. He ain't gonna say that.
I am now recording requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take the test? Okay.
This incident shows that even a brief moment of carelessness while operating a watercraft can lead to serious consequences. When a police boat has its emergency lights activated, all vessels must slow down and maintain a safe distance. In addition, refusing a sobriety test or a breath test only makes the situation worse and increases the likelihood of facing charges. From this story, we learn an important lesson. Always follow safety rules. Never operate a boat after drinking alcohol, and cooperate with law enforcement to avoid unnecessary trouble. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave your thoughts below. Do you think this boat operator deserved to be arrested? Share the video so others can learn from it. Subscribe to the channel for more real case analysis videos like this.